Nah, sip. Yuk, and continue. Semoga gak nge-lag ya. Semoga gak nge-lag ya. 27%. Harusnya sih ini ya, dikit lagi tamat ya. Soalnya udah mulai di puncak konflik ya chapter kemarin. Udah konflik nih. Harusnya tinggal beberapa chapter sih. Salju, musim salju. Dah, mana Alice? Kok dia sendiri, coy? Alice di mana dia? Alice Wam. Luther neutral. Luther itu cowok itu ya, cowok yang berotot kemarin ya. Luther ya namanya. Cari bantuan. Alice di mobil kah? Coba. Gak ada, cuy. Which? Siapa nih? Android kah? Oh bukan, orang normal dia.
I'm looking for Rose. Is she here?
What do you want with her?
I need to talk to her.
She doesn't want to talk. Go away.
Kenapa dia nggak mau ini? Nggak mau ngomong.
Please, I really need to see her.
Nah
I'm
ini.
Rose.
Halo Rose.
What can I do for you?
I was told you could help us.
Help you? Come on. It's better if we talk inside.
Oh ini ya, nyari tempat ini ya biar nggak kedinginan si Alice ya. Ayo Rose.
Do you think we can trust him?
Ya ibu duit sing oleh mau.
I don't have a
Pras.
choice. Okay.
Jopok.
I'm cold, Kara. We'll get inside. You'll warm up in no time.
Ya. Enter.
Come in. What's your name?
Alice.
She's running a fever.
We've spent the last few nights outside. She's exhausted.
There's a spare room upstairs. You can put her to bed and I'll bring her something to eat. Adam, will you show them upstairs?
Adam. Oh ini anaknya ya, namanya Adam ya. Lu ini gue baru sadar cuy, dia tinggi banget ya. Ini cuy, sepintu dia ya. Kayaknya kalau dia masuk pintu harus ini gak sih, nunduk gak sih? Yo, Alice dapat rumah ya, rumah baru ya. Ngekos gak sih ini hitungannya? Tuh, nah ini agak layak sih tempatnya. Agak layak cuy, layak banget sih, bukan agak layak ya. Super duper layak nih. Oke, gua harus ngapain sekarang? Sabar, gua scan dulu lah. Oh, tanya Alice ya. Yuk aja bicara ya. Oh enggak, lepas sepatu. Andres Alice buka baju, oke. Dingin coy, pakai jaket ya. Anjing gua udah kaget cuy. Bro. Oh, enggak, aman. Tuck in.
I'm fine, Kara.
I'm fine
You can't
karena
stop because of me. You've got to get across the border.
reasur itu apa reasur?
You need rest.
Oh,
Get a
kamu
good
harus
night's sleep
istirahat
and
ya.
we'll set off again tomorrow.
Why do humans hate us? We didn't do anything wrong.
Kenapa manusia benci? Mungkin ada yang salah. Mungkin mereka takut ya.
Maybe they're just scared. People are always scared of what they don't know.
Why can't we just talk to each other? They'd see we're not bad.
Optimis?
Maybe one day we will.
Mungkin suatu hari nanti.
I don't know what you like, but I made you Rose's world famous spaghetti. You'll be back on your feet in no time. There's something for her fever.
Thank you.
Wah, dikasih ini coy, spaghetti gratis ya.
I'll
Thank
get
you, thank
these
you.
washed and dried.
Dia udah ngasih tempat gratis, ngasih makan, kiss goodnight.
Sleep tight, Alice.
Nah, sip.
I'll be downstairs if you need anything.
Close curtain, oke, tutup jendela ya.
Tomorrow, you'll be stronger than
Lu cium juga? Enggak, dia nggak cium ya. Malu-malu dia.
I'll stay with her a while.
Ya, tutup jendela biar nggak dingin ya. Oke, udah, sekarang bicara sama Rose ya, coba bicara. Itu makanan cobain dulu gak sih? Gua trust issue coy. Soalnya manusia yang kemarin tuh agak alay ya. Ya, mana nih Rose? Rose baik sih, cuman anaknya aja nih yang namanya siapa? Adam ya. Wih, pohon Natal cuy. Di Indo ada gak ya? Kalau Natalan orang pasang pohon Natal kayak gini coy. Apa nih? Foto biasa. Mana nih Rose? Oh, itu tuh. Ya, ngobrol ya
I
sama
get your
Rose.
name.
Nama gua
Kara.
Kara.
This is my son Adam. I'm Rose, but you know that already. Come and have a seat, Kara.
Oke. Ya, duduk ya. Itu termasuk manner sih.
So are you
Jangan
gonna tell
duduk
me what
sebelum
deviants
yang
do
punya
in the
rumah
snow with a
nyuruh
little
duduk.
girl?
Apa nih guys? Apa nih? Gue nggak nyimak lagi.
Her father was beating her.
Oh, cerita ya.
When I saw what was happening, something snapped inside of me. All of a sudden, I felt like her life was more important than mine. I had to protect her. So we ran away.
I understand.
Oh iya. Kenapa dia mau bantu kita coy? Nah.
Why are you helping us? Most humans hate androids.
My people were often made to feel their lives were worthless. Some survived, but only because they found others who helped them along the way.
Devian?
We're not the first ones to come here.
These past few weeks, we've seen more and more. I don't know what's going on, but something's happening.
Border.
We've heard you help androids cross the border. Can you help us?
The only way is over the river, and it's mostly frozen in winter. It's very risky. And after that android speech on TV, everybody's on edge. It's probably safer for you to stay here until things settle down.
Apa nih? No choice, tidak ada pilihan. Insights, apa nih? Tidak ada pilihan
We
mungkin.
can't keep hiding like this. Alice needs to feel safe and have a normal life. We have to get across that border. No matter what. Please. You've got to help us.
Rose, come quickly.
Siapa nih? Karakter baru. Stan. Yuk, ikut. Cek what? Ya. Cek apa yang terjadi, coy. Ada apa nih dia? Mungkin kita bisa bantu ya kan?
What's going on?
It's Mary.
It's Mary.
She just shut down.
Hah? Ada android lain?
We escaped together.
Kirain kita android
Let's talk about
satu-satunya
what
yang
we would
boleh
do
masuk
once we
ya.
got across the border. I loved her. I loved her more than anything. What will I do without her?
Itu yang digendong android juga kah?
Let's let them be.
Loh, Alice, lu nggak tidur?
Alice? What are you doing? You should be resting.
I wasn't sleepy.
Coba
It's okay.
ajak Alice ke atas lagi nggak sih? Jangan sampai dia ini cuy, banyak pikiran ya. Cukup orang dewasa aja.
She didn't want to stay in her room any longer. You all right, Kara?
Yes. I'm fine.
I'm fine. Kara tidur.
We can't hide them.
Kok Kara? Alice
Not after what
turun.
those deviants did today. It's too dangerous.
Pakai kancut dulu gak sih?
Do you know what will happen if the police find them here? We'll go to prison, Mom. Do you understand me? Prison!
Adam! We've already talked about this.
No! I won't back down this time. You're gonna ruin our lives, and for what? For a bunch
Kenapa
of
mereka?
machines?
They are not machines! They are alive!
I'm alive! You're alive! They're nothing!
Oh,
And none of this would be happening if
Ibu-
Dad was
apa?
still
I
here.
Iya.
will not stand for that kind of talk.
I'm
Anaknya
going to
benci
prison
robot,
because you wanna help
ibunya-
these freaks.
That is enough, Adam! That's enough! Don't mind him.
aduh, matanya merah cuy. Dia mau nangis ya dia.
Sometimes he just boils over.
Bagus sih pendalaman ceritanya.
Since his dad passed away. But he's a fine boy. I'll go see about getting you across the border tonight, okay? You stay here. I won't be long.
Oke. Jangan ini ya lama-lama ya. Oh, wah banyak quest nih. Coba, apa ini buku ya? Aduh, buku nggak guna nggak sih? Nggak guna. Cuman buat koleksi doang buku. Yuk. TV dulu coba. Hidupin TV. Apa nih? Baju Android. Nah, coba. Pasti isinya berita itu. Berita kemarin yang Android nyerang tower itu ya. Nggak bisa cuy, nggak bisa diganti ya channelnya. Coba sebelah sini dulu. Apa nih? Foto Figora. Adam Father, ayah Adam. Oke, terus coba ke kursi ini. Talk to Adam. Oke. Coba kita bicara sama Adam. Kenapa dia benci sama manusia aja? Coba tanya reasur dulu gak sih?
I can see why you're angry. We don't want to cause any problems, we just want to get across the border.
Nggak mau diajak ngomong dia. Lah, nggak ada apa-apa.
The police!
The police. Hah?
It's the police!
Hah? Polisi?
What are we gonna do?
Aduh, gimana nih?
They know we're here.
Buka pintu gak? Buka pintu gak? Jangan. Sabar. Ini suruh ke atas dulu gak sih? Suruh ke atas dulu
Hurry,
gak sih?
Arthur, take Alice and hide.
I knew this was gonna happen.
Suruh sembunyi di upstairs.
Come on, Alice.
Ke tangga. Mungkin tuh polisi yang nyariin Alice ya sih. Sabar. Ini apa nih? Sembunyi di sini. Nggak mungkin dong. Sabar. Gua harus cepet nih. Coba tanya Adam.
Just keep calm, Adam, and everything will be alright.
Tetap tenang. Gimana cuy? Bukain nggak? Sabar, tutup dulu. Gimana guys? Buka nggak? Oh, udahlah, buka aja lah.
Good evening, ma'am. Sorry to disturb you. We've had reports of androids in the area. With all this deviant business going on, you can't be too careful. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Boleh. Coba tanya apa?
May I come in?
Of course.
Udah gua tutup semua ya.
Evening, young man.
Harusnya aman sih.
Good evening.
Pokoknya jangan mencurigakan, santai aja.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
I'd love one. Have you noticed anything unusual recently? Any unexpected
Station
visitors?
level 25%. Oke.
No?
Yuk bikinin kopi ya.
No, nothing in particular.
Bikin dia ini ya sesibuk mungkin ya. Biar
Anyone else in
nggak
the
curiga apapun. Nobody. Alice.
There's my daughter. She's asleep upstairs.
Hah? Itu wadah gelas kayak gitu ya?
Do you have any androids here?
Nggak punya.
No, there are no androids here.
Gua nggak punya Android ya di sini ya. Dia lagi ini cuy, lihat. Semoga dia nggak ke atas ya.
Thanks.
Nah, ada minum. Udah nggak sih, pergi nggak sih? Oke, dia udah nggak curiga ya, 0% cuy, 0% ya. Masa dia curiga sama buku? Nggak mungkin dong. Itu di semua rumah ada nggak sih buku? Aduh.
Your daughter seems to have woken up.
Aduh, ada suara pintu lagi. Sabar. Aduh, gua belum itu coy. Aduh, baju Android belum ini coy, gua sembunyiin ya. Wah, dia mulai curiga nih, 15%.
What's your name, son?
Adam. My name is Adam.
Is everything all right, Adam?
The androids,
Aduh,
they've...
He needs a rest. He's been working in the garden all day.
dia ini coy panik ya. Padahal
Do
gue
you know
udah suruh
anything about
kalem ya.
deviants? Have you seen any?
No. No. I haven't seen anything.
Aduh, polisi mulai curiga nih.
I better go. Thanks for the coffee. Have
Nice.
a nice evening.
Nah, pergi. Hus. Waduh.
Is somebody else in the house?
Waduh. Anjing.
It's the dog. He sleeps in the laundry room.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Adam.
Aman. Tapi jangan ini ya. Jangan seneng dulu ya. Mungkin dia lapor cuy ke atasan ya.
It's okay,
Mungkin
Alice.
polisinya pura-pura gak curiga cuy. Tapi ini
It's
sih
Rose.
naik semua sih.
Get yourselves ready. We leave tonight.
Malam ini kita keluar ya. Keluar kemana cuy? Wow. Wih. Chapter kali ini lumayan panjang ya, 22 menit coy. Midnight Train. Ya lanjut. Seru. Belum ada action ya, masih mode interogasi nih. Ya, chapter selanjutnya yang action dong. Oke, Markus ya. Suka nih gua Markus nih.
Our broadcast is all over the news. Now humans know.
It was a mistake to reach out to them. They'll never negotiate with their slaves. We should have shown them
Ganti
that we're
baju ya
prepared
dia
to
ya.
fight.
Violence is never the answer.
Ya nggak
Dialogue
sih?
is the only way.
Ganti
I'm
baju
sure
nggak sih
the
dia?
humans will listen to us. Simon paid with his life.
Oh iya, Simon
Simon
ini ya.
gave his life for
Meninggal
our
ya.
cause.
What difference does that make?
He's a hero. He died for the revolution, and he won't be the last.
I don't want a revolution that spills blood.
Then live as a slave. Because if you're not willing to fight for your freedom, maybe you don't deserve it.
North, don't you... That's enough!
Udah nggak sih, jangan bertengkar gak sih? Kan misi kita kan ini demi
And now what are you
kebebasan.
gonna do?
We build your
There are
future.
5 CyberLife stores across Detroit,
Detroit City.
all selling us like merchandise. We're gonna attack those stores and set our people free.
Attack stores? But we've never done that before. They're probably protected. They have
Open.
security systems.
We break into 5 teams, 1 for each store. We hack their security systems, and we strike.
Jericho admin, hah?
Simultaneously at 2 a.m. No
Sekarang
violence.
Markus jadi ini
Free our
adminnya ya.
people, get them out of there before the police come. This is a night our people will remember.
Find Cyberlove Store. Oke, tujuan Markus
I've
sekarang
been
apa?
waiting a long time for this.
Apa tujuan kita ke ini? Toko Android. Mau ini kah? Ngendaliin Android kah? Bisa jadi. Iya nggak sih? Soalnya Markus kan bisa ini ya.
Look, this way, quick!
Wah, sembunyi. Iya nggak? Android apa? Markus kan bisa ini ya, ngendaliin Android ya. Wah, berarti tujuannya ke toko Android
It's
udah
okay,
pasti
they're
nggak
gone.
sih? Nyari pasukan.
There's probably even more police in the area. We should be careful.
Ya lari. Sabar, kemana nih? Oh, ke kanan ya. Follow no.
The store's over here.
Ada mobil coy. Ya nggak ada ini ya, nggak ada Lamborghini ya. Mobil biasa semua, mobil Tesla. Nah, banyak Android
That's
nih.
what we are to them. There's merchandise on display in a shop window. Soon they'll
Apakah
know what we
tebakan
really
gua
are.
benar?
Let's get
Mereka
them out.
dijadiin
We'll stick to the
ini
plan.
semua, bener gak?
Neutralize the alarm systems and secure the area. There's 10 minutes until all our teams attack.
10 menit.
What are we waiting for?
Oke, dia bagian yang masuk, kita jaga area ya. Apa gue yang masuk?
You see the alarm system?
AP series. WJ series, AP, WJ, ada di atas CCTV. Security kamera, identifikasi. Kayaknya ini nyari ini gak sih, blind spot gak sih? Oh enggak. Atau iya nih nyari blind spot. Neutralisasi alarm. Sabar, gua harus kemana nih? Kesana. Kita harus matiin ini gak sih? CCTV-nya
I
gak sih?
identified the security system. I think we'll be able to deactivate it. Just follow me.
Nah, kan?
Exactly what we need.
Matiin dulu CCTV-nya. Steal the truck. Oke. Curi ini ya. Mobil. Bukan truk. Lewat mana cuy? Oh, lewat sini, lewat sini. Wah, digembok cuy.
What are we waiting for?
Lompat dong, lompat pagar kah? What? Anjay, parkour. Untung pekerjaannya Android ya, jadi aman.
Okay, now we're in. Let's get that truck out.
Oke, curi mobil truk. RB. Truk penloket, oke.
I wonder what you do without me.
Bone cutter. Bagus nih bone cutter nih buat buka apa? Buka gembok ya. Sabar. Gelo, halo Jaurai. Mana nih? Buat di mana coy? Sabar, scan dulu. Oh, gua harus keluar ya. Nah, ini nih. Ya kunci. Nah, ini baru bisa keluar. Tadi ada ininya, gemboknya. Crash into store. Cek plaza
Change of
secure.
plan?
I just want to make sure we didn't forget anything.
Enggak sih, langsung enggak sih? Tabrak aja enggak sih? Crash dah. Tabrak aja enggak sih, barbar sekali-sekali.
Looks like we're ready to make some noise.
RT. Oh. Awas nabrak. Sabar, ini gua harus kemana cuy? Sabar, gua harus kemana nih? Ditabrak kah? Nggak mungkin dong ditabrak.
I knew we'd end up doing something fun.
Anjir, ditabrak beneran. Wah, ini mah mancing polisi gak sih?
We didn't deactivate the alarm.
The cop's gonna be here any minute. We gotta go.
Wait, Marcus, we can't just leave our people behind.
It's too late, North. We failed.
Wah, kayaknya gue salah ya milih ini ya.
Marcus, we did it. All teams succeeded. Our people are free. We're heading back to Jericho.
Shit! We screwed up. Our people are still prisoners in that fucking store, and it's all our fault.
No, it's my fault. I messed this up. At least our other team succeeded.
Salah
How could you
cuy
get
gue.
this so
Salah ya.
I thought you knew what you were doing.
Wah, dia kecewa
I
cuy.
did what I could. I'm sorry that's not enough for you.
No, it's not enough. This is a war we're fighting with the humans. If we fail, they'll destroy us. The fate of our people is in your hands. You have to succeed. You have no choice.
Aduh, salah gue cuy. Berarti harusnya sendiri dong gue. Ya, salah gue coy. Harusnya endingnya kayak gimana? Wah, iya cuy, harusnya endingnya banyak ya. Gua malah milih ending yang cepet. Ya udahlah, nggak apa-apa lah ya. Nggak bisa diulang cuy masalahnya ya. Udahlah, lanjut lah. Mungkin next chapter gua ini sih harus pilih yang bener sih. Ini salah cuy pilihan gua. Gua kira ya tadi itu waktu nabrakin truk ya. Nah, langsung salamin semua aja cepet-cepet gitu. Ternyata enggak cuy. Malah ditabrak terus kabur. Terus gunanya dia nabrak apa cuy? Gabut doang gitu. Duh, POV si Connor lagi. Makin ini dah boring dah. Keluar ya. Instinct.
I have a bad feeling, Lieutenant. We shouldn't have come here.
Bad feeling, huh?
Ya, gua punya firasat
Get your
buruk.
program checked. Might be a glitch.
Ngerosting dikira ini ya, kita nge-glitch coy. Ada apa? Masalah. Wih. Ini kan yang di ini ya, di menu start ya. Cewek di menu start.
Lieutenant Hank Anderson, Detroit Police Department. I'm here to see Mr. Elijah Kamsky.
Please, come in.
Gua kira cewek di menu game itu bakal jadi pajangan coy. Ternyata dimasukin sebagai ini ya, NPC ya.
I'll let Elijah know you're here, but please make yourself comfortable.
Wait for Android. Gue boleh masuk gak? Boleh masuk gak gua? Oh, nggak boleh cuy. Harus nunggu ya. Kamsky, Elijah.
Nice girl.
Coba analisis.
An RT-600. The first CyberLife android to pass the Turing test.
I didn't ask for her technical specs. I just said she was nice.
Ya duduk ya, nunggu.
Nice place.
Ya bagus sih.
These androids
Kayak
haven't been a
tempat-tempat
bad thing
orang
for
kaya
everybody.
gitu. Tapi masih lebih kayaan ini sih.
About to meet your
Tuannya
maker,
si
Connor.
Markus ya.
How's it
Kaya
feel?
banget tuh. Cuman agak jelas aja. Indifferent, impotent, distant. Coba indifferent.
It doesn't raise any existential questions. If that's what you mean.
Sometimes I wish I could meet my creator face to face. I'd have a couple of things I'd want to tell him.
Stand. Ada yang bisa dianalisis sih. Foto siapa nih? Ini Bibi yang sama Connor gak sih? Oh iya cuy, ini yang biasanya ketemuan di jembatan ya. Amanda, iya Amanda. Nah itu siapanya? Suaminya kah? Atau anaknya? Wait. Hai. Sorry, gua nggak nunggu.
Elijah, we'll see you now.
Ya masuk ya. Wow. Apa nih? Kolam apa nih? Kolam red wine ya?
Kamsky?
GTPS kayak ini bukan kocak.
Just a moment, please.
Ini game masa depan nih. Dunia dipenuhi android ya, robot. Wanjir. Android juga bisa ini ya, juga bisa renang ya. Ceritain story-nya bang. Ya, ntar gua translate dikit-dikit ya, yang gua tahu. Soalnya Inggris gua agak jelek cuy. Oh enggak, ini manusia ya. Yang android cuman yang cewek, yang robot. Sama semua mukanya.
I'm Lieutenant Anderson. This is Connor.
What can I do for you, Lieutenant?
Sir, we're investigating deviants.
Kita kesini untuk ini ya, investigasi.
I was hoping you'd be able to tell us something we don't know.
Deviants.
Yeah.
Fascinating, aren't they? Perfect beings with infinite intelligence. And now they have free will. Machines are so superior to us.
Yeah.
Confrontation was inevitable. Humanity's greatest achievement threatens to be its downfall. Isn't it ironic?
Apa ya, buat coba tanyain tentang perang ya. Coba tanyain
If a
tentang
war
perang.
breaks out between humans and deviants, millions could die, Mr. Kamsky. It's quite a serious matter.
All ideas of viruses that spread like epidemics. Is the desire to be free a contagious disease?
Listen, I didn't come here to talk philosophy. The machines you created may be planning a revolution.
Iya
Either you
cuy.
can tell us something that'll be helpful, or we will be on our way.
Dikit lagi bakal ini cuy. Ada perang robot versus manusia ya.
Whose side are you on?
Gua di pihak netral. Gua netral ya.
I was designed to stop deviants, and that's what I intend to do.
Mirip robotnya Timothy. Iya cuy, iya.
Well, that's what you're programmed to say.
Cuman bedanya ini
But you.
udah kayak manusia ya bentuknya ya. Mungkin tahun 2030 ke depan robot udah kayak gini coy. Netral lah gua.
I don't want anything. I am a machine.
Chloe? I'm sure you're familiar with the Turing test.
Oke, lu mau ngetes gua.
Simple question of algorithms and computing capacity. What interests me is whether machines are capable of empathy. I call it the Kamsky test. It's very simple, you'll see.
Apa yang harus gua lakuin?
Magnificent, isn't it? One of the first intelligent models developed by CyberLife. Young and beautiful forever.
Kalau robotnya kayak gini, siapa yang nggak itu coy, seneng coy.
What is it really?
Cantik banget ya
Is it
robotnya ya.
plastic imitating a human? Or a living being with a soul?
Apa nih? Wow.
It's up to you to answer that fascinating
Gua disuruh nembak robot kah? Wah,
Destroy this machine, and I'll
Mana?
tell you all I know.
robot nembak
Or
robot.
spare it, if you feel it's alive.
Mana nih?
But you'll leave here without having learned anything
Psikopat
from me.
anjir ini orangnya.
Okay, I think we're done here. Come on, Connor, let's go. Sorry to get you
What's
out of here.
more important to you, Connor? Your investigation or the life of this android? Decide who you are. An obedient machine.
Pilihan yang sulit.
Endowed with free.
Ini gua salah
That's
ini.
enough. Connor, we're leaving.
Pull the trigger.
Connor! Don't.
Kan gelut kan. Aduh, tembak atau enggak nih? Jangan tembak aja.
Fascinating.
Iya cuy, iya, jangan ya.
Cyberlife's last chance to save humanity is itself a deviant.
Maksudnya dia nggak salah apa-apa cuy.
I'm not a deviant.
Thank you udah follow cuy.
Machine rather than accomplish your mission. You saw a living being in this android. You showed empathy.
Lu gak tembak gua kan? Lu bawa pistol.
No war is coming. You'll have to choose your side. Will you betray your own people or stand up against your creators? What can be worse than having to choose between two evils?
Let's get out of here.
Ini orang ini ya, manipulatif ya dia ya.
By the way, I always leave an emergency exit in my programs. You never know.
Oke. Kalau ada ini gua bakal balik ke situ ya.
Why didn't you shoot?
Kenapa nggak kau
I
tembak?
just saw that girl's eyes, and I couldn't. That's all.
You're always saying you would do anything to accomplish
Karena
your
mata
mission.
si robot.
That was our chance to learn something and you let it go.
Yeah, I know what I should have done. I told you I couldn't. I'm sorry. Okay?
Oke, gua minta maaf ya. Gua nggak nembak.
Well, maybe you did the right
Bingung
thing.
ya. Ini polisi. Oke, kepercayaan naik, gak apa-apa lah. Serba salah juga cuy kalau ditembak. Ini, udah cuy, sudah selesai ya. Aduh, masih ada waktu sih, 42 menit sih. Gua dapet ending apa? Ending baik ya. Kalau gua tembak ada ending lain coy. Oh iya. 51%. Lanjut. Masih 42 menit coy. Siapa nih? POV siapa nih? Markus kah? Oh iya, Markus. Nah, ini suka nih gua nih, Markus nih. Banyak actionnya. Markus. Waktu ya. Wih. Awas jatuh. Duduk. Ngeri banget cuy. Di ujung gitu ya. Untung robot nggak punya ini ya, fobia ketinggian ya.
I was wondering where you were.
No. Apa ya? Mungkin dialek.
I needed to see the daylight.
I like it here. I come here often. It's like being alone with the world.
Lu mah marah mulu coy.
We freed hundreds of our people and they're still coming from all over the city. Those who dream of freedom come to Jericho. Something's changing. You seem preoccupied.
Apa? Iya cuy, iya kok kemarin gagal ya.
I panicked last night. We should have succeeded.
Sorry. Kemarin malam panik coy.
Cannot afford to make mistakes like that.
All the media are talking about what we did last night.
Iya sih, udah
Humans
pasti
are
masuk
terrified.
berita nggak sih nabrakin
They're afraid of a
toko.
civil war. Many of our people were burned in response to what happened. The humans hate us. They'll never give us our freedom.
Optimis gak sih?
No, not all humans are the same. Some of them
Pasti ada
understand that they
manusia
can't
yang
stop us
masih
from
ini
being
gak sih?
free forever.
Nggak
You
benci
haven't said much
sama
about yourself
robot.
since you've been with us. What was your life like before Jericho?
Ya udahlah, percaya aja lah.
I was caring for an old man. He was like a father to me. He showed me that humans and androids can live together.
North Pass atau pergi? Hah? Pergi? Leave. Leave itu apa nih? Keluar apa nih?
Where are you going?
To talk to the humans.
Hah? Ngajak ngomong manusia?
This is suicide. We'll all be killed. Please, Marcus. It's not too late to change your mind.
You don't understand. We're finally gonna show them who we really are. This place will go down in history.
We'll be killed on the spot.
That's a risk I'm prepared to take if it means freedom for our people.
Oke, sebisa mungkin jangan bunuh orang ya. Sebisa mungkin jangan bunuh orang.
They'll understand. We'll make them understand. This is the only way.
Ya.
There are
Berarti misinya ini ya.
androids here who can join us.
Misi mencari pasukan. Misi mencari pasukan. Pokoknya semua robot kita jadikan pasukan ya.
You're free.
Nice. Dapat satu. Pokoknya semua android di sini jadiin pasukan. Ini nih. You are free, kamu bebas.
You're free.
Nice. Oke, dapat dua. Jangan sampai ada yang ketinggalan ya. Kalau bisa semua android ini ya jadiin ini android nih. Nah, lu juga.
Come with us.
Nice, dapat tiga. Ciri-ciri android apa? Ini kepalanya ada itunya, ada bulat-bulatnya. Ada bulat-bulatnya. Nah, tuh ada kuning-kuning kan. Itu robot.
Hey, where do you think you're going? You get back here. You stay right here, you fucking machine.
Nice. Yuk, kita bikin pasukan sebanyak mungkin ya. Sebanyak mungkin. Soalnya lawan kita manusia nih, banyak nih manusia. Kita harus bikin banyak, cuy.
I need to block the street.
Kamu pilih android apa manusia, Bang? Gua pilih android sih. Soalnya manusia di game ini tuh brutal semua ya. Dijadiin itu coy, babu coy android. Mana ini? Apa? Jahat lah pokoknya. Manusia di sini. Tapi ada yang baik juga sih. Kalau bisa damai, mungkin gua bakal pilih ini ya, ending damai. Tapi kalau nggak bisa, harus perang, gua bakal pilih android sih. Wih, banyak juga nih pasukan gua. Sabar. Ada yang ketinggalan nggak? Oh ini nih, ketinggalan nih satu nih.
You're awake now.
Nice. Udah ini ya, 8 android ya. Ada lagi gak? Udah nggak ada lagi ya. Apa nih? Toko sepatu. Coba, toko sepatu ada android gak? Oh, nggak bisa cuy. Ada tembok pembatas ya. Nggak bisa. Terus gue harus kemana? Ke sana. Open. Ada apa di gorong-gorong? Help. Wah, ada android coy. Android ada yang dibuang ini di God. Convert more Android. Oke, cari Android. Nah ini nih. Oh bisa jarak jauh ya. Ngendaliin jarak jauh. Nggak harus deketin. Keren juga jarak jauh. Wow, pasukan banyak cuy. Ih, perang kah? Wah, 18 cuy, 19. Nah, lu juga. Sini. 30, 31. Wah, jadi ini ya, jadi pusat perhatian ya. Ada lagi nggak? Nah, sini. Nice. 48. 59, 60. Anjir, banyak banget, bro. Ada lagi nggak? 100 kalau bisa. Wow, ada ini nih, drone polisi ya. Sabar ya, ini Android gua nggak ada yang pegang senjata ya. Jangan asal nembak di polisi. Damai kita, damai. Simbol apa nih? Simbol ini aja. Bagus coy. Hack. Keren juga bisa ngehack gini. Hits 140. Anjir, banyak banget, bro. Oke, tujuannya ini jalan kemana nih? Wait, ada Android lagi nih.
Disperse immediately. That's an order.
Nah itu tuh ada Android tuh, Android bersih. Apa nih guys? Angkat tangan nggak sih?
Jesus Christ.
Angkat tangan nggak sih? Kita ingin damai ya. Kita ingin damai. Kita nggak ingin perang.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Kita nggak bawa senjata.
Patrol 457. I got a lot of androids down here. I don't know, hundreds, thousands. They're marching. Yeah, they're marching down the street.
Katakan pada dunia kita ingin kebebasan.
Set fuck if I know.
Set us free. Set us free. Set us free. Set us free.
Kebebasan. We are people. Set us free.
Set us free. Listen to me.
Set us free. Set us free. Set us free.
Freedom.
Freedom. Freedom. Freedom. Freedom.
We are alive.
We are live. Anjing demo. Ini bahaya ya kalau sampai pemerintah Indo tahu ya. Ntar demo pakai ini coy, pakai robot. Wih. Wah, kita nggak bawa senjata cuy. Kenapa nih polisi? Kita nggak bawa senjata loh.
We came here to demonstrate peacefully and tell humans that we are living beings. All we want is to live free.
This is an illegal gathering. Disperse immediately or we will open fire.
We're not looking for confrontation.
Anjing, nggak mau damai coy. Manusia nggak mau damai.
But know that we are not going anywhere until we have secured our freedom.
I repeat, this is an illegal gathering.
Itu perintah yang ilegal.
Immediately, we will shoot.
Marcus, they're gonna kill us. We have to attack. There's more of us. We can take them.
Kita harus nyerang atau kita yang ditembak.
We have to show them we're not violent. We should just stand our ground even if it means dying here.
Wah, mana nih? Kita
It's your last chance. Disperse immediately or you will all be killed.
serang nggak sih? Serang nggak sih? Soalnya kalau kita diem aja, kita yang ditembak. Serang.
Don't do it, Marcus. Don't choose confrontation.
Serang nggak sih? Serang.
Follow me.
Perang. Wait. Serang. Ayo. Sini bro, ada mekanik sini. Padahal kita nggak bawa senjata loh. Tapi mereka nih kayak ngejak berantem mulu ya. Serang. Wait. Tackle. Aduh, kena tembak lagi. Nice. Wih. Nah, nggak apa-apa lah, bikin pingsan aja lah. Pokoknya aduh. Jangan ditembak, bikin pingsan aja. Bikin dia pingsan aja. Duh, anjir. Masih bagus lu nggak gua tembak ya, tapi lu lama ya. Anjir. Wah, kayaknya gua harus tembak sih kalau ada kesempatan lagi. Ini manusia nih bikin emosi ya. Ya hampir coy. Wait, aduh, tembak, dorong. Aduh, kena tembak gua demi ngelindungin dia. Nice, dibalas ya. Oh, ini manusia ini ya, nyebelin ya. Lupa, tembak aja lah. Udah gua kasih ampunan malah ini jadi. Udah tembak aja lah. Revenge, tembak balik. Gantian. Nah. Udah demo baik-baik, malah mereka ini coy. Padahal tadi demonya itu biar ini ya, nggak ada korban jiwa ya. Tapi polisi ini malah ngajak ini coy, ngajak perang ya. Wah, anjay, banyak ini ya, banyak mayat ya. Banyak orang-orang nggak bersalah kebantai coy. Gara-gara ngikutin atasannya ya, atasan yang bodoh ya. Win, kita menang. Anjir. Tuh guys, Android juga punya perasaan guys. Dia sama kayak manusia ya. Android aja punya ini coy, punya pikiran ya. Masa manusia nggak punya pikiran coy? Nggak punya belas kasih ya. Kena tembak 2 di sini. Untung robot ya, kalau nggak robot udah tewas itu. Deket paru-paru sama jantung. Public opinion, aduh. Robot menang sih, tapi manusia makin nggak percaya ya sama kita ya. Soalnya habis melakukan pembantaian sih. Coba gua milih ending yang mana? Aduh, gua milih ending yang salah lagi ya. Harusnya ada ending lain nih. Tapi nggak tahu sih ini ending damai atau enggak. Udah 1 jam coy. Seru gak sih? Pas banget sih. Ditutup dengan episode yang mantep ya. Udahlah, gua akhirin live-nya sampai sini ya. Biar kalian makin penasaran cuy. Biar kalian makin penasaran ya. Lanjut besok, oke? Lanjut besok, oke? Gua end live dulu ya. Thank you semua yang udah nonton. Thank you Andika, thank you Bumi udah nonton. Gua end live dulu.